Good morning, students in mathematics for class 5. Today we are going to learn about factors. Now, what is a factor? Multiplying two whole numbers gives a product. The numbers that we multiply are the factors of the product. For example, 2 multiply 4 equal to 8. So, 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Now, we can learn factors in some other way also. A factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. Let us find the factor of any number. I have taken 10. If I divide 10 by 1, then what will I get? The remainder as 0. If we divide 10 by 2, then again we will get a remainder equal to 0. So 1 and 2 are the factors of 10. It means if we divide any number by other number and the remainder will be equal to 0, then it will be the factor of the first number. So 1 and 2 are the factors of 10. If we divide 10 by 3, then we will have a remainder equal to 1. So 3 is not a factor of 10. If we divide 10 by 4, then also we will get a remainder equal to 2. So 4 is also not a factor of 10. Now we will divide 10 by 5. Then we will have a factor as 5 because the remainder here is equal to 0. So 5 is also a factor of 10. If we will divide 10 by 6, 7, 8 and 9, then we will get a remainder other than 0. So these are not the factors of 10. If we divide 10 by 10, then the remainder equal to 0. So 10 is also a factor of 10. So these are means 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the factors of 10. It means we can say that in order to find the factors of a number, we divide the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now, let us observe some examples and try to conclude something about factors. Here you can see factors of 1. If we will divide 1 by 1, then we will not get any remainder, means remainder will be equal to 0. So 1 is a factor of 1. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now, can you observe anything in these examples? Try to observe. Try to observe something and you will observe that 1 is the factor of every number. You can see 1 is written in every number. So 1 is a factor of every number. And can you observe any other thing? So you can see that 1 is a factor of 1, 2 is a factor of 2, 3 is a factor of 3, 4 is a factor of 4, 5 is a factor of 5, 6 is a factor of 6, and so on. So we can observe, we can conclude that every number is a factor of itself. So we can say more about factors, that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. The number 1 is the smallest factor of every number. And the last thing, every number will have a minimum of 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, except 1, because 1 has only 1 factor. Now come to worksheet number 5 in question number 1a. We have to check that 5 is a factor of 36 or not. So to find that 5 is a factor of 36 or not, we have to divide 36 by 5, and you can see here the remainder is equal to 1. So we can conclude that 5 is not a factor of 36. In question number B, is 7 a factor of 77? So again we divide 77 by 7, and here you can see the remainder equal to 0. So 7 is a factor of 77. Number 2, in question number 2, 2 multiplies 7 equal to 14. So according to the definition of factors, 2 and 7 both are the factors of 14. So our answer is 2 and 7. Now in question number 3, write all the factors of the following numbers. The first number is 12. For this, you have to find all the factors of 12. We can apply two methods. Either we can divide 12 by 1, 2 up to 12. If you are getting remainder equal to 0, then the divisor is said to be the factor of 12. Or in other method, you can list all the multiplication facts of 12. So I have written all the multiplication facts. 1 multiplied 12 equal to 12. So 1 and 12 both are the factors of 12. 2 multiplied 6 is also equal to 12. So 2 and 6 both are the factors of 12. 3 multiplied 4 equal to 12. So 3 and 4 both are the factors of 12. And rest multiplication facts are the same, only they have changed the order. So I have got all the factors of 12 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So that's all for the day. Next in other video. Thanks.